Hi and happy October to everyone. I'm so excited for this makeup tutorial. It's my first video in English, so don't be so rude, please. I love the Beetlejuice movie. It's one of my favorites. Enjoy the video. First, I'm going to use my primer in all my face. Then I'm going to use my liquid foundation for NYX. I like this foundation, had a good coverage. I look so pale, but it's the idea. I'm going to apply in all my face and my neck. Oh my god, I like that. My kabuki brush and finish powder. And I'm going to apply in all my face. It's a good translucent powder. Now I'm going to use my green eyeliner in my aprons. I like this green, it's so perfect for this look. I love it so much. And the other one, yeah. Now I work my eyes. I'm going to use this purple eyeshadow for NYX. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline palette. I'm going to mix these two colors. I love it. I love so much this green shadow. It's a purple intense color and easy to work. It's time for the glitter. I'm going to use this beautiful glitter from NYX. Really, I like this music. I think it's so cool. Black, black, black is always necessary to me in my makeup, and especially eyeliner. I finished one eye, so then the other one. More glowing. I love so much this palette. A mascara, please. Now I'm going to use my Vivid Bright in color green. I'm going to apply in some part of my face. You know Beetlejuice has ratings in part of his face, so try to simulate some in these ratings to have Beetlejuice and empezó. Sorry, but I am really nervous right now. I need a bit in my mouth. Doing some contour in my nose. I will apply shade to get a little dip. Oh my god, I love so much this lipstick. It's one of my favorites. This color is Alien. Contour, baby, don't forget. Draw some pestañitas. And this is all. I really enjoy so much to doing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some like. See you the next time. Bye.